See, that's called what happens when you volunteer somewhere.
It's a little functional. You're sitting to your desk or something.
Oh,
Sitting down, maybe watching TV. Your arms out.
So, Caleb, this is a good one you're telling us. You like it? Why do you like it so much? Is it just because Mark is doing it, or what?
Good ab workout.
Getting the whole truck.
Yeah, I mean, going through range like that, yeah, that's true. Any idea how you might make it a little bit more difficult for Mark?
One leg.
Well, outside the fact it's going to be close to having a web. Anything you do with weights up to the side, that's another issue. As he's moving around like that, you can also be having, peripheral weights, redistributing his mass. That certainly works. Taking a leg up off the ground itself, okay? And we say, well, gee, Mark, as long as you're right here, okay, we're going to have you do some exercises here too. Instead of like just sitting there and kind of rolling on, I want you to go ahead and kind of let your feet kind of come out this way and kind of roll onto your shoulder blades of that ball, okay? Can you do that for me? Roll up. Okay. Ooh, now, what do you think just happened there? You went from sitting up straight down to this position. How did that basically happen? Okay, come on up, Mark. Show him how you did it. Okay, so there he's coming up. Now watch him kind of go down slow. Real slow, real slow, real slow. Oh, come on, slower yet. What's working, Mark? Tell him. Come on up, sir. Okay, come on up, okay? He's going to go so super slow, it's going to take him 20 seconds to do this activity, okay? So just go ahead. Slowly go out there. Oh, I see him shaking, man. I know what's working.
My abs, hip flexors.
Absolutely. Okay, so he was going into what type of contraction here? Are these muscles he was going into eccentric contraction? He has to kind of help him lower himself down, okay, like that. Because he started up here, he lowered down, he started to roll out. Okay, so now he's in this position. Oh, great. Now he's fine. I was ready to try some other stuff. And so we say, well, here's what we'll have you do. Mark, while he's in this position, let's go ahead, and I'm going to have you just take one of those feet, okay, and put it out straight, okay, while the other remains on the floor. Just extend your knee. Ooh, and what do you have to do right away? You put his arms out for balance, so that made it a little bit easier. So say, come on, Mark, you're doing great. Just now go ahead and put those arms across your chest. So now he's getting the idea. Now slowly bring down the one foot and bring the other one up, okay? Oh, we got out, okay. So, and go ahead and lower it back down. So you can do stuff like this, okay? And then say, well, Mark, here we go. I'm going to give you these guys, okay? So now he's got weights. You do it symmetrically, okay? So go ahead, and I'm going to have you go ahead and try to balance on one foot, but lower the weights out symmetrically to the side, like so. Okay, lower them down. Okay, and bring them back up. Okay, and foot goes down. Now go ahead, raise up their foot, but only lower down one of the weights. Your choice. A little bit more difficult? Okay, so, I mean, that's fine. Okay, so the idea here is you're going to challenge the body into performing the activity, all right? Make it more and more difficult, but each time you're requesting something of the trunk that is very, very consistent with regards to stabilization. So the way you can kind of superimpose these various tricks or twists to the exercise, all right, using the principles you know from mechanics and all the rest, that's going to allow you to make the exercise more or less difficult. Okay? Are we good with that? Faculty, you guys want to add anything or any specific, lovely exercises you like with the ball stretches or anything like that? I know Rachel, you talked about some, you just have someone roll out on a ball on a table here.
Yeah, for more like the active assisted range of motion.
Okay, so active assisted range of motion with that, everyone understand? Kind of rolling that ball out. Very similar to what, who was it that was in Arthur was in that push-up position, right? Kind of went into the pike position. And as he rolled the ball up underneath him with his feet, he was stretching out his lats. Okay? And the way Rachel just described it, you might put the ball on the table. So Mark, if you're going to put the ball on the table here and you want to go ahead and kind of stretch out your lats, I'll do it. Oh, that's extra work. Okay, that's about far. So, but that's the same concept there, pretty much that what Arthur was doing, but which one's going to be harder?
Arthur's.
No, I give it to Arthur, yes. He was doing the more difficult one, okay? But you can go ahead and adjust the person's entire body position relative to gravity, making me more stable standing up like that, or more difficult for Arthur on the ball, and as a result, you know, you make it just a much more difficult exercise. Are we good with that? Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to punch